Okay, today I'm taking a look at the Tape King Retractable Utility Blade 12-pack. Wow. Okay. So these are actually nicer than I was expecting. I was expecting these to be kind of flimsy. But looking at this, you can actually see it's a fairly thick plastic making up the housing for this, which is exactly the way I want it. And I love these long razors like this. There's only really two types of styles of knives that I like. I like these, and I like box cutters. Box cutters are great because you can put a ton of force on them without having to worry about breaking anything off. These are designed to break away. Now the benefit of that is that I end up having to change the blades on these a lot more often, because with these, if I take this and I just like dig that into something and then pull it back, I'm going to end up dulling that point. But the great part about it, because this is breakaway, I should probably get pliers for this. There we go. Now I got a brand new point. So that is the main benefit of these. But the other benefit, because this is longer, I have this entire length of blade that I can use for cutting things. So if I'm going to do something like I'm going to cut a hole in a drywall and then I need to cut away the insulation, this longer blade is going to make that job way easier, because I can actually reach to the back of the insulation, cut that all in one little swipe. So these things are great. These are 18mm thick blades, so if you want to, you can just buy replacements for that. All we're going to do is we're going to push up on this, pull that out, and then we can replace that blade. Now that's really to each their own. For me, I just prefer having a bunch of, like a big stack of full utility knives like what we got here. But if you want to be economical, this is a good way to do it. Oh, that's actually something. I didn't notice that was a thing. But this actually has a little pull button on it. And when you do that, you can lock the position of the blade. That's pretty cool. I never knew about that. Cool. It always surprises me when people go out and they buy really expensive knives where it's, it's got this flip handle, but eventually that thing dulls out and then you got to resharpen it. I don't want to spend a single second of my life resharpening a knife. And with a 12-pack like this, if I actually dull this thing out, I just chuck it, grab another one. So this is a fantastic kit. And with 12 of these blades, I expect this is going to last me quite a long time. So I am very happy with that.